Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how you can fix the issue of app not installing because of package conflicts. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. Well, to be honest with you, fixing this issue is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, the first step what you need to do is uninstall previous version. If you have an older version of the app, what you need to do is uninstall it because conflicting version can cause errors. And then what you need to do is ensure that there are not any duplicate APK files with similar names because having multiple version can also cause conflicts. And then the next step that you can follow is clear cache. And for that, what you need to do is go to settings and then go to storage. You also need to make sure that you have enabled app installations from unknown sources. However, if you have not, what you need to do is go to settings and then go to security and allow install unknown apps. However, if the issue is still not fixed, what you need to do is use an APK editor to change the package name. And then the next and final step that you can follow is reboot your device. Restart your device and try installing the app again. And by following all these steps, your issue will be fixed. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.